Oh. All right, I am out fishing today. It is freezing today. Yeah, it snowed probably like 2 feet yesterday. It's probably still like 30 degrees, but the sun is shining, as you can see. Just to get some extra vitamin D, I don't want to stay inside all day, so I'm gonna try a couple casts, see if we can get some fish on. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful though. Like, that sun is gorgeous. But you can see that my bike ride coming out here, it was definitely a little bit snowy, and also the mountains. Yeah, Mount Mansfield is just loaded with snow, so the skiing's probably pretty good. But yeah, really gorgeous day today. We're gonna see if we can get a fish, and all this is ice, so we're gonna have to be careful so we don't fall in. But yeah, it's all ice. Same old, same old. I got a blue and silver spoon, medium action rod, 10-pound test. Cast as far as we can, reel it in really slow, and see what we can catch. There we go, there's one. Nice. Felt him bite. Ooh, that's a big fish. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Oh, oh, it's a stud. Oh. And it's going for a run. Wow. Holy crap. Some pressure on him. This could be the biggest lake trout I ever got. This thing is a stud. Yeah, here it comes. It just wants to dive. Oh, that thing's a hammer. Holy crap, that thing's big. It's got a huge lamprey scar on it too. This thing is a hammer. Beautiful fish. Let's see if we can net it. Yes! Let's go! Oh, that thing's big. It's got a lamprey scar on it too. Whoa! That thing is a stud. Holy moly. Okay. Oh, look at that fish. Gorgeous lake trout. Lake Champlain. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. It's got no fin clips, so this fin has never been clipped. It's probably a wild fish, but it's also got a really big, if you can see, it's got a really big lamprey wound. Could you guys give me a picture?
No, I was just gonna say that's amazing.
Oh yeah, I'll hop up there with you guys. It's a lake trout.
It's giant.
Yeah, I know. It's like one of the bigger ones I ever caught.
This is so cool.
Oh, they're so sweet.
You were like, you have no gloves on me. Like, is that guy hands freezing?
Oh, I'm cold, but it's so worth it. This is warming me right up.
Okay, you got it.
So, okay, so the deal with this, like you could see, so it's a lake trout, and you can see that scar right there.
Yeah, that thing right there.
Yeah, that's a lamprey wound.
Oh.
Yeah, so when the I don't know if you ever heard of a lamprey.
I have with the lamprey.
Yeah, check out that lamprey wound.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they attach on the lake trout and they're no good. They also attach on like salmon and stuff. Yeah, do you want to take a picture of the fish? The cool thing about this one too is like, so the hatchery, you see all the fins that are intact. So like this fin and like these fins down here, they're all intact. So this is a wild fish. So like that's really cool. So it's naturally reproduced out in the lake, and that shit, and they're native too. It's cold out there. Check out this one. Oh, hop. Check this thing out. Oh, it's cold. Look at that. Now that is just cold today. It's a cold day. That's gonna be the end of the day. My hands are getting cold. It is so cold out here. I mean, you could see all the snow. I ended up catching one fish, which was awesome. Had some walkers take a picture of the fish, which was really cool too. Yeah, just gorgeous day as far as the sun just poking out all day. So I definitely got my vitamin D in, which is great. I was happy to get one fish, but whoa, the water's cold. There's a bunch of ice along the rocks and stuff. So thank you everybody for watching my videos. I really appreciate everyone's support, and please tune in next time. Full sunset. The sun is coming down. Gorgeous sunset out here. You can see that the path is just snowed up. Tons of snow. We got hammered last night, so bunch of snow makes for biking. Oh shoot! Oh God! Makes for biking a little bit tough. There we go. Oh. Oh no. Screwed up my... Oh shoot. Well, it just goes to show you that don't be recording when you're riding your bike, I guess. Oh man. Oh. All right, I got a little bit of a way home. That snow is rough. Nice sunset though. Now if that doesn't sum up the day of fishing, I don't know what does. That is a pretty cool ice structure. That is a cool ice structure. Freezing out here, but wow. Check out that structure. Now that is crazy. Kind of reminds me of like one of those opium birds. I don't know if anybody knows what I'm talking about, but yeah, just like a really crazy looking, ominous ice structure right there. Pretty cool. Look at that. beautiful sunset with a dogwood that is totally, it's trying to bloom too, but it's cold. All right, I'm just documenting this because this is some witchcraft. There's an arrow that's pointing right there. There's a full moon. You can see the full moon. I won't show it, but if you go down right here, in the water right there, there's a dead deer. That's some witchcraft. I've got to get the heck out of here. That's just weird. It's so cold that the ice started forming again. I thought we were done with the ice season, but wow, that is getting cold. That whole little bay is kind of freezing over.